I understand the fact that whatever demands that are coming about is because of the genuine concerns that they have for the people, and that is something that I feel that I do not hold anything against all those people who have demanded for my removal. But the fact of the matter is that it's something that we, as a team, collectively we're trying to resolve. These are issues which have been pending for a long time, and I don't know if any person, even if any other person were there, could resolve these issues at this given point of time. It would be very very challenging, very difficult for anybody. You know, so it's not just about me, but I'm very thankful for those people who understand the fact that this is not an easy situation. Who understand the fact that this is a crisis that has built up over many years without blaming anybody. Who have understood that whatever steps and measures we as a government we're trying to put in will take the desired amount of will take a little bit of time to have the desired effect and results, which will bring about tangible results. So I appreciate those people who understand that and have been supportive of me. But again, having said that, I don't hold anything against those people who are asking for my demand, who are asking for my removal. But uh, uh, you know, they are very much out of concern that they're raising these kind of issues. So that's okay with me.